Hello, my dear little ones. Good morning. I am Neha, ma'am. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine and spending quality time with your family. Welcome to the new session of Maths. Today, we will learn a new pre-number concept, that is sit, stand. But before that, we will be revising pre-number concepts like full, empty, big, small, and left, right, which you learned in the previous sessions.
Let's revise first. Full, empty. Full means the object contains something in it, and empty means the object contains nothing in it. Full means भरा हुआ and empty means खाली. This tub contains popcorn in it, so it is full, and this is empty. This basket contains apples in it, so it is full, and this is empty basket. This bucket contains sand in it, so it is full. This is an empty bucket. This glass contains nothing in it, so it is an empty glass, and this is full. This basket contains bananas in it, so it is full, and this is empty. Now let's revise the concept of big and small. Big means bada, small means chota. Look kids, in this picture the elephant is big and the mouse is small. In this picture, this chimpanzee is big and this monkey is small. Now tell me, in this picture, which one is big and which one is small? Yes, the lion is big and the mouse is small. See kids, there are two balls here. Now tell me which one is big? Yes, this ball is big and this ball is small. Now let's revise left and right. Put your both hands together like this. The hand that makes an L shape is your left hand and the other hand is your right hand. This arrow is pointing out on the left side and this arrow is pointing out on the right side. This girl is going on the left side and this boy is going on the right side. On your left side, you can see a sparrow and on the right side, you can see a snake. This monkey is on the left side and this monkey is on the right side.
Now, we will learn a new pre-number concept, that is sit, stand. बच्चों, sit का मतलब है बैठना एंड स्टैंड का मतलब है खड़े होना. sit का मतलब है बैठना एंड स्टैंड का मतलब है खड़े होना.
Let's see some pictures to learn the concept better. Kids, you can see these pictures on page number 20 in your maths workbook. The man is sitting on the bench. The kids are standing. The old lady is standing. The boy is sitting under the tree. The cow is standing. The dog is sitting under the tree. Let's see some more pictures for the same. The boy is standing and this boy is sitting on the chair. This monkey is sitting and this monkey is standing. This dog is standing and this dog is sitting. This cat is standing and this cat is sitting. This boy is standing and this boy is sitting on the bench.
Now, we will play a fun game to learn the concept better. Kids, are you all excited to play a game? गेम का नाम है साइमन सेज। बच्चों, इस गेम में साइमन जो बोले वो आपको करना है। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर गेम।
Simon says, sit down. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, stand up.
Now kids, you all will be doing by your own. So concentrate on what I say. Let's start. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, sit down. Oh, Simon says, sit down, not stand up. Again. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, stand up. Yay! Simon says, stand up, not sit down. तो बच्चों, मजा आ रहा है ना गेम में? यस। अभी थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे। ओके, आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट। साइमन सेज, सिट डाउन. साइमन सेज, स्टैंड अप. साइमन सेज, स्टैंड अप. ये साइमन सेज स्टैंड अप, नॉट सिट डाउन. अगेन. साइमन सेज, सिट डाउन. साइमन सेज, स्टैंड अप. साइमन सेज, sit down. Simon says, stand up. So kids, have you enjoyed the game? मजा आया गेम में? Yes. Okay. Now it's time to give a practice worksheet.
This is your practice worksheet. You have to tick the people who are standing and cross the people who are sitting. तो बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट में जो भी पिक्चर्स दिए हैं वो सारे आपको ध्यान से देखने हैं और बाजू में जो स्क्वायर बॉक्स दिए हैं उसमें टिक और क्रॉस का साइन करना है। जो भी लोग पिक्चर में खड़े हैं उनको आप टिक करोगे और जो बैठे हैं उनको क्रॉस करोगे। सारे पिक्चर्स को अच्छे से देख के अच्छे से वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करना। ओके बच्चों?
So kids, see you all in the next session. Do complete the worksheet. Take care. Bye bye.